In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your personal details or information on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you'd like to make some changes on your profile or your personal details that you added to Roblox, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then tap on more here on your smartphone. Once you are here, scroll down until you see this option called settings, and under settings go to account info. Now under account info, you will see all the details that you added, and this is personal information. If you want to change any, for instance, if you want to change your display name, you can go ahead and just click on this icon that is next to it, and this will open up an edit page where you can now edit this name to any of the name that you wish, and it will be added. We also have username. You can also go ahead and add your phone number or change the phone number if you had, and also you can also just edit or change your email if you wish to do so. Other details that you can change include password and even your birthday. So that's how you can edit your personal information on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.